Let's take a look at the problem x squared equals 9. To solve this for x, we would take the square root of both sides, and what you would initially seem to think would be that x equals 3, because 3 squared equals 9. But there's actually another answer, because negative 3 squared equals 9. So when we take the square root in a problem, we have to think about the fact that our answer could be positive or negative, and so we're going to take that into account. The answer to the question x squared equals 9 is that x equals plus or minus 3. So another problem would be that x plus 2 squared equals 10. Let's solve that the same way. We'll take square roots of both sides, except when we take that square root on the right-hand side, we have to use the fact that the square root is going to be plus or minus the square root of 10. So on the left-hand side, the square root and the square cancel out, and we're left with x plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 10. To solve for x, we would subtract 2 from both sides, and we would get x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 10, which separately would be x equals negative 2 plus the square root of 10, or x equals negative 2 minus the square root of 10. If we plug these values in for x into our original equation, we would end up with a true statement.